On today's episode of MotoCheez.
What's up, Tonka truck?
MotoCheez drive the old mini Tonka.
Yeah.
Tiny Tonka.
We'll take a ride over and look at an electrical problem.
Let's see if this...
For another mini truck owner. He had mini trucks way back before he could even register them. He just bought a van too.
Yeah.
Your clutch is like the one in the Mini.
See if this thing seems like that.
Yeah.
It'll go pretty good, you know. See, I mean, I had a few spots almost up to 100.
Wow.
You know,
I don't think I've ever hit 100. Yeah, she goes pretty good. You gotta figure out what you're getting for mileage.
I don't know yet. My trip don't work.
And my breakfast. Yeah, this thing goes pretty good. Yeah, this might have a little more power than mine. There's a guy on YouTube called Doug Morrow. He reviews all different kinds of cars.
Yeah.
I haven't seen him do a mini truck yet, so I was thinking about sending it in and see if he wants to do a review on Mini.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I was thinking about it. My kid watches a lot of his stuff. He's the one that mentioned it, so I might end up, you know, see if he wants to review Mini.
Postal worker. Postal.
Hope they don't go postal. Stop for a hot dog.
Yeah.
Little Tonka runs good.
Good.
Good, how you doing?
You got any Hakabazi lights? I do, yep.
I think I'm gonna get the same thing. One though. All I need is one.
Where'd you guys get the little toy truck?
Down in Jersey.
Yeah.
Yeah, I do videos on them.
Yeah.
I'm actually doing a video now if you don't mind being in it.
I'm in the witness protection.
Uh-oh.
What, you like to sing and dance? Or?
No.
And you want one with chili as well?
Yes, sir.
No.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Have a great afternoon to you both. All right.
You too, thanks.
What is this guy doing?
I don't know.
All made out of stone. That truck.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that is stone, huh?
Yeah.
That's pretty neat. I hope this bridge can hold the load.
Believe me, I'm going to go to town on this one on this truck. That's it right there.
Maybe we can fit right between there.
Yeah.
Old tiny Tonka.
Yeah. What's supposed to be wrong with this? Like, don't start?
It says something with the gas pedal. Let's see how big tiny Tonka looks next to that truck. Yeah, look at that.
We gotta work on this tiny Tonka. Mine's bigger.
I guess so.
That's good.
Yeah, I'll call him up and tell him we're here. Yeah, you want to go in the office? Oh, there's, look at, he's got the little Suzuki there.
For sale.
He's got the lift and everything on it. Got the axle, well, the axle lock and a diff lock and a dump. 5,000. That's a good deal. This one's got high and low.
High and low, yeah.
Oh yeah. Yeah, this is like mine then. How many miles on this? 80,000? Oh yeah. Huh. Not bad.
Hello. Hi there. Oh, how you been?
Good, how are you?
Where's your lovely husband? sitting there going.
The problem with this is starting to get a little big, you know.
Right.
And a little guy, I mean, literally goes down an ATV trail, you know, where an ATV
yeah.
can go, but I could take the other guy. This one, you know, but you want to talk about traction? Oh my God.
Yeah, these things are good.
Unbelievable. Yeah. It's four-wheel independent suspension.
Yeah, he had one of the, it was actually the bigger Delica van. Down in Jersey, he's got a bunch of them.
Yeah, I gotta get down there. I'm looking for a Subaru sandbar.
Yeah.
Standard with a turbo, which is very hard to find.
He's had the supercharged ones. In one of my videos, I took it for a ride. That thing was
did
fast.
He have a supercharged?
But it had a
standard?
CVT transmission.
What the hell is that?
You know, like a snowmobile. It didn't. It was an automatic.
Oh, geez, yeah.
Ooh.
My guy down in Virginia's got a super clean Subaru sandbar, automatic with a bad trim. Yeah.
That's what I'd worry about.
I like the standards.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah, you know, it's just the automatics worry me. Yeah. The only thing with these is they only got a sliding door on one side. Whereas my sandbar's got the sliding door on both sides.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. But I'll tell you, you want to pack people in this thing and go off-road, it's ridiculous.
Yeah, that's nice. Oh, this is a big one.
That's what she said.
Ain't got nothing on the minis though.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Well, we couldn't get her running, but
You suck!
Jeffro's Cob Shop. He's gonna be doing the driving now.
Yeah.
You're what? 6 foot?
6'3".
3. Yeah, you fit alright. Whoa, drifting it. Right now you're doing 46.
46 is showing 50.
It's showing 70. That's kilometers.
Oh yeah,
That's what I was saying. 80 on mine is 50. So that might be about the same for you. Right now you're doing 46. Look at that fancy seam blade. Oh, tiny Tonka. See what you can get down the hill? You can get maxed out. Oh, look at your little blade. Oh no. You should have punched it. Go get him. Tiny Tonka. Don't run him over. That was 60 anyway. People are going to have to look you up on Jeffro's garage. Well, that was fun.
Yeah.
See you around, Tiny Tonka.
Alright, we're off. Stay easy, MotoCheez.
Alright, see ya. So I guess I'll go over why I haven't been putting up a bunch of videos. I probably should have been recording this for you guys, but I haven't. But I've been working on that, and I had a unfortunate sledgehammer incident. No more of that. Now it's that. And I got it fixed and running. I'm just waiting for some plastic for the airbox. As you already know, I have to finish this so I can move it before the snow flies. And I bought the brackets for the boards that go on it for the pontoon boat. So they should be here soon, so I'll probably get one more of these videos for the pontoon boat in before the winter. And I picked up a 2002 XR80 that I'm going to do a little bit of work on. That DS80 needs crank seals. That one's good, that one's good, and this one's good. Got a rack for the DLX, thanks Taco. I also got a 17-tooth front sprocket I ordered from Taco. That's going to go on this soon. And that pit bike I picked up and put pieces of other pit bikes together. A lot of you guys are always asking about pit bikes. This one's got like a dual exhaust thing, which is kind of a pain to fit underneath the plastic, but looks pretty cool. It's not a Honda. That should be a fun little thing. I'm going to make some brackets for the muffler. Also, underneath here, to keep it off of these mufflers, I'm going to have to make a little tiny steel bracket. This has to be raised so high. Dual exhaust looks cool though. I'll make it work. That's what I've been doing, and I should have been recording this for you guys. That's right. And give her her finger back.
Darkness wraps you in its creep. You shall have eternal
Hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Hit that bell if you want new notifications on new videos. Links for products used are in the description and on MotoCheez.com. Thanks for watching.